back to MS Tech Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to get stretched resolution for Arc Raiders. And let's get straight into the video. So if you guys want to go ahead and get stretched resolution, make sure you watch the video up until the end. But anyways, once you guys are in the lobby, just make your way over to settings. From settings, what you want to do is you want to make your way over to graphics, and then from graphics what you want to do is you want to first change your window mode to exclusive full screen. Once it is set to exclusive full screen, you guys can go ahead and set it to stretched res like let's just say 1440 by 1080. Once that's set, you guys can simply go ahead and hit escape, and then it will stutter for a second, and then it will go ahead and turn into stretched res. You can obviously play around with what specific stretch res setting you want, but once you do that, you guys will be good to go. So that should be it for the video. That is how to get stretched resolution in Arc Raiders. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.